Hello students, welcome to UMaths class. I am sure you all are eager to learn new concepts with me. Students, let's solve the practice set 1 now. Draw the line segment of the length given below and draw the perpendicular bisector. First take a ruler, draw a seg AB of 5.3 centimeters. Put a point of compass on point A. Take distance in a compass more than half of the distance of point A and B, and then draw an arc above and below respectively to the line segment. With the same distance in compass, put the point of compass on point B and then draw intersecting arcs to the previous drawn arc. Name the intersection of arc as C and D. Line CD is the perpendicular bisector of seg AB at point O. I am sure you must have understood how to construct a perpendicular bisector with me. Now you can also try with me for the second question. Students, are you ready? Let's solve. Draw a segment PQ of 6.7 centimeters. Put a point of compass on point P. Take distance in compass more than half of the distance of point P and Q and then draw an arc above and below respectively to the line segment. With the same distance in compass, put the point of compass on point Q and then draw intersecting arc to the previously drawn arcs. Name the points of intersection of the arcs as R and S respectively. Line RS is the perpendicular bisector of seg PQ. Students, we have solved two sub-questions of the first question of the practice set 1. Now, you have to solve the remaining sub-questions personally for better practice. Students, let's solve the second question of this practice set, question number 2. Draw angles of the measures given below and draw their bisectors. Draw angle ABC of 105 degree using scale and protractor. Take a suitable distance in compass and then draw intersecting arcs of ray BA and ray BC by putting the point of compass on point B. Then name the points of intersection as P and Q respectively. Now keep a compass point on point P, draw an arc inside the angle, then with the same distance put the point of compass on point Q and draw the intersecting arc of the previous arc. Then name the point of intersection of the arc as O. Draw ray OB. Here ray OB is the bisector of angle ABC. Here angle ABO and angle OBC are equal in measures. Always keep habit of writing this after construction. Let us take next question. Draw an angle 55 degree using scale and protractor. Name as PQR. Take a suitable distance in compass and then draw intersecting arcs of ray PQ and QR. Place a compass pointer at vertex point Q. Then name the point of intersection as S and T respectively. Put a compass pointer on point S and draw an arc inside the angle. Then with the same distance, put the compass pointer on point T and draw the intersecting arc of the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as O. Draw ray OQ. OQ is the bisector of angle PQR. Angle PQO and angle OQR are equal in measures. Students, I have solved the two sub-questions of the second question of this practice set. Now you have to solve the remaining sub questions personally for better practice. Now I am sure you will be able to construct a perpendicular bisector and an angle bisector confidently. Question number 3, 4 and 5 will solve in the next video. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will answer you back as early as possible. Thank you for watching this video.